Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a quick fix on this Polaris cleaner. It seems like it's leaning down all the time, and I'm thinking it's the float head that has retaining water and is pulling it down. So let me show you how it's done. First thing, switch off all the pumps and then pull out the Polaris. And that's the float head that we'll be replacing. I'm not a pool expert, but you'll see in a minute here. It should not retain water. It should be light. I don't know if you can hear that. It has water inside it, which is not good. So we'll replace that. I'm going to replace it with a original Polaris part. It's not very expensive, so I thought I'll just go with the original. It's about 12 bucks, 13 bucks, and it's A20, part number A20 for Polaris. And that's the new one. As you can see, doesn't have any water, which is good, and it's very light. It should only have air inside it. And to put it on, you just basically push and turn. Those threads are just to catch it. They don't tighten up. You just push it and until you're about half an inch from the end. You may have to play around with your Polaris, see how it works, but that's about right. A few more turns, push it in a little bit more. And while I'm at it, I'm also going to replace this foam around the tail end. It wears out pretty quickly, so while I'm doing this, might as well replace that. Now with these, I get a pack of 12 or something from Amazon. They're not original, and I'll put a link in the description of the video if you're interested, but they last about a couple of months, a month, depending on how long you run the Polaris for. As you can see, it's a bit tight, which is okay. You just have to thread it in there and pull it down and almost cover most of the tail. I usually leave a little bit up like that, and that should do it. Okay, let's put the Polaris back in the pool, turn the pumps on, and see how it does. Well, it looks like it's done the trick, and the Polaris is running nice and smoothly, not leaning one way or the other. As always, if you're enjoying the content, please think about subscribing to the channel, leave a comment, leave a like, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.